You can make cool thumbnails for your YouTube videos without using any fancy softwares. Yes, that's right. Hey creators, I'm Krishna Shrestha from PerspecTube. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process how to make effective thumbnails that will get more views. And the tool we are going to use is Canva. Canva is a web-based free software, and Canva is super easy to use even if you are new to design. If you want to make YouTube thumbnail video without spending a lot of money, then head over to the canva.com and follow along with me. Before that, make sure that you have everything you need, like the photos, the background photos, icons, everything. For this video, whatever I'm going to use, I'll keep the link in the description box below. Do you have images or photos? You can upload them directly to Canva whenever you are ready. Once you have signed up or logged in, you will land to the Canva homepage. From there, you have a couple of options. You can simply search for YouTube thumbnail on the search bar. This will give you a range of pre-designed templates that you can choose from. Alternatively, you can create a thumbnail from blank canvas. You might find out that's just right for your thumbnail. If you do, all you have to do is swap out some text, images, and you are ready to go. Maybe this one, yes, this one looks good. And then click on customize this template. If it is paid item, it shows a grid. So we didn't need this one and we are going to delete this. And also let's remove the grid. And now click on the uploads and upload your background. I'll put the link in the description box below so that you can download this background. Now we are going to replace our background with this. When selecting colors and images, remember that you will want to ensure any text you add later can be easily read. Let's reposition the background so that it fits in. Let's play around with the titles as well. I want to change this to how to start and these big letters to channel. Our middle YouTube button symbols YouTube logo, so we'll keep it as it is. Now I want to add big question mark symbol over here. Out of many, one very interesting thing in Canva is you can copy from different templates as well. Let's customize this, copy the question mark and paste it over here. That's cool, right? This looks good already. I want to add my picture as well. The very first thing is I need to remove the background of my image. You can do that one in Canva Pro, but we are using a free version of Canva over here. So we'll be using different tool called remove.bg. You can search on the Google and click on the first link, or you can just go directly to the website called remove.bg. Once you are on that page, you can click on upload and choose the picture you want to remove the background. And then within a second, it removes your background. For the higher quality, you have to pay it. For the free one, which is 720 pixel, you can download for the free. Click on download and save it to one of the folder. Now let's upload our backgroundless image to Canva. Click on upload and choose the image that we just remove our background. Once this is complete, you can use that images and then click on the image and it will show on the board. And let's adjust the size. It looks good here on the left hand side. You can flip it as well and keep it on the right hand side, but it looks good in the left. So we'll be keeping it there. Let's adjust the title and let's zoom out our background so that the YouTube button is visible. And this looks very perfect for our first YouTube thumbnail. You can adjust the brightness of image by clicking on edit image. And here is the various options that you can play around with it. Let's auto enhance. And your thumbnail is ready. Isn't it super quick and easy? There is one very important thing that we don't want to miss. That is to check our thumbnails on the different devices, how it looks. To check those things, upload it to the thumbsup.tv. Here you can paste the title as well. You can see how it looks on the different devices, as well as in the dark mode. This helps to ensure your thumbnail looks great wherever it is viewed from. That's it in this video. The thumbnail is ready. You can use this thumbnail for your related video. If you want a template to optimize your YouTube channel, then click on this video. Hope you like this video. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay creative.